Hey family, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating. Hey family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today we have two different meals.
Tell them why it's two different meals though. I'm kind of
both prepared by my sister.
Big up to the chef. We appreciate you. Thank you for making my fried chicken for me.
So I have stewed peas with pig's tail. Yes, pork. I'm so excited. Guys, I haven't had pig's tail in years because my husband doesn't eat pork. So when I make stewed peas, I don't put pork in it. And then I have some white rice and I have a salad here. I think it's an avocado type of salad my sister made for us. And then her famous macaroni and cheese. And then her fried chicken that's fried to perfection. So Richie's annoyed because he can't get any of my food. But that's okay because I'm going to tear up this pig's tail.
2 days in a row, family. So you know she's being biased.
So, but before we dig in, check out my outfit of the day.
I like chocolate milk. 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 I like chocolate milk.
Black girls, where you at? Slim waist, ass fat. Black girls, where you at? Throw it back, make it clap.
We are back. I love it. You like it. You know what I'm saying? But it's all good. Damn. I'm ready
Like
to
ready.
go.
Am I on this?
Yes, and don't put your stuff over to my side, please.
You know you want it on your side.
Family, I'm gonna tell you a joke right now. Here we go. Take a bite first.
Oh, and also there's gonna be the story time of when my husband saw something. So you don't want to miss the story time.
Don't miss the story time. Let's eat some first. I give you a flip.
Oh my gosh.
Somebody wanted it too bad.
Not too close, baby.
Got too close right there? Good. Alright.
I'm gonna be honest with you. I don't really care for the rice right now. It's a pig's tail me want. Alright.
Family.
But Megan yam the rice.
Family, I'm gonna tell you something right now. While First Lady was fixing the thing, piece of the food dropped right in my hand. Piece of the pork dropped right in my hand. First instant came to my mind like this. I said, oh wow, I had to catch myself.
I think I have it on camera because I was recording.
Oh my God, family. I was about to throw it right in my mouth. But family, there's some real talk. I'm gonna eat pork. Cause now I can't even get none there. It looks so good.
My sister made this with pig's tail, salt beef, and chicken foot. She didn't put any oxtail in there, so as you can see, stewed peas can make with any kind of meat. If you don't have oxtail, it's just fine. It comes out the same.
Wow. Her fried chicken is the bomb.
Very good.
Oh, it's macaroni for me.
Pig's tail. What's up?
Wow. We appreciate you, Shawnette. Thank you. Yeah.
That's all I can say. Have a little second for my bone,
I
yeah?
got it on deck, you know?
That flavor's good.
My flavor, I'm good, right? Nice enough. Stop laughing. Stop laughing at First Lady. You know what? No, come on.
You know, come out. You're stuck.
I put sauce on everything. So why this chicken? It's like we had Chick-fil-A. So why not dip? Wow.
I'm using my hands mostly today. A chicken foot.
I know you're looking at this macaroni. I said, yo,
It's really good.
it's different. She woke me up with a lot today. This was really catered.
Catered by a professional.
But professional. How it tastes?
Like food?
Long time you eat the pork. The pig's tail.
Pig's tail, man. The pig's tail. What I love about it is the saltiness of it. And like I told you guys before, you have to boil it out. You have to boil out some of the salt. But if you do it right, you boil it out, not all the way where all the salt come out. But then you boil it out just enough. And when you make your stew peas, you don't need any salt. No salt, no seasoning. All you gotta do is put Scotch bonnet pepper, because the salt beef, the pig's tail is what gives it the saltiness.
Annette Norman said she made stew peas the other day.
Yeah?
Now she feel like a Jamaican.
That's good.
Big up yourself, family.
Yeah, man.
Nah. Family. I can't wait till I start eat pork.
No.
Back again.
No.
That looks so good. I just want to taste it. Family, I was that close to go put thing in my mind now. Because I caught it right. It's a boop. I said like, I have to catch myself.
I'm not gonna lie.
Wow.
You may not even see me eat my rice that much. Or just pigtail I want.
Pigtail. I eat so long. Appreciate you don't make it. That you had to cater for me. Family, this chicken is so good.
Wait.
Yeah.
Oh.
Right.
Simeon. Tomorrow's your birthday.
Oh, I forgot.
Tomorrow's your birthday.
Yep. Tomorrow's my birthday. So you already know what time it is.
A next pig's tail? How are you gonna be, honey? Let the people them know.
You don't even know what it is. You don't even know my age, man. First day is a cougar.
I am.
Family, first day is a cougar. But don't worry, it's all good.
This is good.
So, you already know. Flood that comment section. The true first lady.
Yeah, man.
You gotta tell people how old I am, boy. I don't even know you're a cougar.
Whatever.
This is good as hell. Wow. No cap, B. Family, we ain't gonna do much talking. She enjoying, I'm enjoying.
I can't believe I'm eating pig's tail.
Wow.
So long.
You know my beard? Wow.
But since I've been making stew peas without pig's tail for so long, I'm used to it. But every once in a while, I do want to taste the pig's tail, you know?
Tastes good, right? I want to taste the fuck. Man, I'm missing out.
You sure are.
Alright, family.
Whew.
Look now. I'm gonna do it.
Well, tell you, don't touch my stuff.
Let me try it.
No, no, I want you to try nothing. I'm gonna tell your mother.
Family. Family. Do you want me to try it?
No.
They want me to try.
Don't touch my stuff. No. No.
She don't want to give it none. Thank you. She don't want me to give it none, so I can't try it.
Go ahead. Go ahead. And
Don't force me.
Try it. I'm gonna tell your mother.
Don't force me.
That's it.
Don't force me. I tried.
Yo, stop. Look over here, man. Cha.
I can't do it. It's 2 different meals.
Why?
No, I want to help you. 2 days straight now, I couldn't even help her. Now you're laughing at me. I see. Not fair. I want to eat. I want some. Story time. Start off like this.
I don't want none of that.
Family.
Sorry.
Me personally, I don't really believe in ghosts, but this one morning I did see it. They say you can't afraid of dead people, you gotta be afraid of people that's alive. Did you ever hear that before? Let me know. What happened?
Oh no, I'm fixing my stuff.
So this is how the story begins. One day, this is why I used to work at my old place, my old job.
And he works far.
And I work far. This is my old job.
I didn't like that.
Well, oh.
This was
Sorry,
far.
yeah. First I didn't like work, but I like work so far. And then when I was working, family, I started work at 4 o'clock in the evening. 4 till sometime 6, 7, 8 in the morning. I can't leave until all the orders is out. You know what I'm saying? And where I live, I was driving back and forth for 5 years, doing it by myself. And I was never late. And people live close to the job and late every day. I was the first one here because I don't play with my job. So, I always tell First Lady, how do people fall asleep while they're driving? I said, that's weird. Family, I witnessed that so much times. So every time I'm coming home and I know I'm tired, I pull over to the rest area and take a 30-minute nap. Sometimes a 20 minutes. I just want to shut my eyes for a little bit.
Yeah.
So do that all the time. You know what I'm saying? You have anything to fill in before we start the story?
No.
No? Okay, I say yeah. Okay. So, no, and don't say because you was tired, that's why you saw that. No, I wasn't tired. Family.
Because if you was tired, you would have pulled over.
I wasn't tired. I drive that same road every day I'm coming home. And one thing with me, you already know, I'm nosy. I pay attention when I'm driving. I look. I pay attention to everything. If I'm driving past house, I want to look. Oh, that. I look, family. So if I'm driving in the morning time, this was like about 3, 4 o'clock in the morning. Pitch dark on the road. I'm the only one on the road, family. Okay? So I'm driving now. I'm cruising. You feel me? Not tired of nothing. I'm chilling, driving. Oh, that time we were remodeling the house.
We were doing
the floor.
We was doing the floor. This was like 12 years ago.
13 years ago, yeah.
And we was his father was home.
Yeah.
His father was at our house helping us tile the floor and getting the house put together. And he always, like we said before, he always calls me at work, on his way home, on his way to work, and vice versa. I do the same thing, whatever. Okay? So he had already called me and was talking to me, and he wasn't tired, because if he was, he would have said, listen, I'm going to stop. I'm going to shut my eye for like 30 minutes. Because before he used to drive so far, he never understood how people can fall asleep behind the wheel.
Tell him, explain.
I'm gonna be honest.
Yeah, for real.
But when you've never experienced something, you just don't understand how is it possible.
Yo, you good, yo. Damn, you're a good talker, son. Family, I'm not a good talker.
Yes, you are.
No, I can talk foolishness. That's one thing I can talk about. First is a good finish. Go and elaborate.
So finally, so he experienced that,
Yes.
okay? Coming home one day, and he said that, and he called me and he was like, yo, you know that, like, my eyes closed, shut.
Yeah.
And I, like, for like a split second, but he was so scared. And from that day, he said, I don't care. Even if I feel a little bit tired, I'm pulling over and I'm laying down.
Yep.
And I agree with that.
Yep.
So,
go ahead.
so this particular night, he called me. He talked to me on the phone. He wasn't tired.
What? I'm just.
Oh, what that?
What?
What that noise? The dog is in here?
No.
Oh, she's outside. Stop, Sashi. Frighten me now because, yo, when we talk about double story, you know something frightening up.
Free cat.
Yo, so he wasn't tired. So when he called me, we was talking on the phone and whatever. His father was at the house. He was remodeling. And he was up.
So I was up.
Yeah.
I will speak the first lady, but I just want to chill and cruise. All right? So, if it's up and it's up and it's up and it's up. All right. So, back to the story now. Yeah, stop. We gave you an intermission. So now we're back. Because I know you want to hear the story, you nosy.
Stop.
So, I'm driving. I mean, by myself. The road is pitch dark. They have lights, but not lights like everywhere on the road, but it's dark, so I'm the only one driving. So family, I'm driving, I'm cruising, and it's night, you know what I'm saying? So I'm looking around while I'm driving and just looking at my surroundings, just driving. I'm telling you, and this was like 12 years ago, and I'm telling you what I saw, and I remember everything that person had on. Listen to what I'm saying now. So I'm driving now and I seen this person came out of nowhere. Family, this person had it all black. I promise you. You know, like if you go into a funeral or you know, just all black. You have when you go to church, they have a jacket, black pants, hat, everything. So where I seen the person, not him. I don't know who was it, but when I seen the person, they was like a little bit in front of me before I creep up. So I'm saying, I'm driving, I'm taking my time. I say, wait a minute. This person walking so late on the 95. So I'm looking in my head, I'm driving, I'm looking around. Where do I see a car that's break down? I see no car blinking, no car breakdown on the side. So I'm just driving, taking my time, coming up to that person, coming up there, driving, and the person just walking. Boom, 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 walking. So I look down in the ditches while I'm driving. I don't see no car. So I said, where the hell this person come from? If that was a real person now, tell me, wouldn't that person turn around and just to see what cars coming, you know what I mean? Because if that was me walking in the road, right?
Yeah.
I'd have looked to see what car is that. That person did not turn around one time. That person was just walking like this with his head down, just like this. Walking. And while I'm getting closer and closer, family, my skin start getting goosebumps. They say when that stuff like that happen, you start getting like cold bumps and stuff. So my body start getting shivering and stuff like that. I'm like, and I drove past the person, and that person, I promise you, family, that person still didn't look. So I'm saying, what the hell? Did I just see a ghost? And while I'm driving the time, I'm like this, and I'm looking back. All I see, that person was not there no more. Didn't I call you ASAP?
But you called me
That
ASAP.
person was not there no more. So I said, wait a minute, no, I'm not sleeping. I know I'm not crazy. Because my body just started getting a goosebump. Before I reach closer, my body just started getting shiver and I'm starting getting cold and goosebump coming. I said, wait a minute. Did I just saw what I just saw? Call her ASAP. Told her. And she's like, whatever, I was telling her what's going on. And then she told my father and whatever I told him, they said, he said yes, it's somebody just saw. Yeah. And when I was passing, it's like that area, they always have like where people like crash and stuff like on the side of like flowers and stuff like that. So family, when I got home, I said, oh my gosh,
before he got home, his father, when he got to the house,
walk backwards.
His father said, make sure you turn around and walk in the house backwards.
Yep.
Listen, we're from Jamaica. We have our tradition, not tradition. We have our You understand?
Yeah.
Like we have our stuff that we follow. And in Jamaica, if you feel like you saw a duppy, you walk in your house backwards so the duppy don't follow you in your house.
Yes, and I told my father.
And sometimes they make you stay outside, you know, for a little bit until you cool off and you don't feel it anymore before you come back in the house. Don't bring no duppy in my house or not.
My body was like when you drink something cold.
Yeah.
The goosebump. Right or wrong, family. That's what they say. If you see a ghost and your body starts shivering, I mean, calm me down if that happened to you. But me, as I said, I don't believe in it. But what I saw that night, I saw because there was nothing but me on the road and that person.
Something. Richie has told this story several times and it's never different. It's always been the same.
I'm telling you. Where did that person come? I called you right after I saw that what happened. Family, but that was the story, but as I said, I don't believe in it, but I saw that day, and I couldn't believe it. But that was it. So comment down if y'all ever experienced that your body got chill when y'all ever think y'all saw a spirit or something. First lady scared now.
Right. You're damn right. Yo.
Done? Okay.
Thank God your father wasn't here because all he needs is one duppy story. And that guy would go on and on and on all night. He ain't doing that today.
I gotta get in the wild first. But yeah, fam, that was my story. And that was like 12 years ago, and I still remember it to this day. No cap. First lady ready? Family ready? Family. To be honest, our goal is really just to have a positive impact on everyone, whether a smile, a laugh, or a change of heart.
Oh, that's sweet.
Yes.
That is our goal.
Yes, if you could relate and say, yeah, it's true, Greedy Cup is true, let us know. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, that's a very good one.
Yeah. That was good, right?
Very good.
Yeah.
I told you guys that I did a business about the rice, the salt beef, none of that. All I wanted was a pig tail. So I'm happy. I have a lot of food left on my plate, but it's alright because I really just wanted the pig tail. You know what I was gonna do? I wasn't even gonna put rice. I was just gonna put the pig tail and call it a day. But you know, all I wanted was a pig tail.
Yes. We appreciate y'all. Thanks for stopping by. I know y'all gonna be doing a lot of stuff. Appreciate y'all coming watching us. If you're new, you reach this far, so like, comment, and subscribe. Those days is over now. Come out now. No more hide and go seek now. Come out now. Real talk. We're the Greedy Couple. That's Shanice. This is Richie, aka First Lady, one and only. Remember that. They are First Lady.
The Greedy family. We know that there are millions of YouTubers out there, and we appreciate you taking the time to come and watch us. We will see you guys next time for another what? Mukbang. Bye.